What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, a Welsh graffiti artist, and today I am at Cyfarthfa High School and we are doing a little bit of a special mural around the communal toilets area. So let's go and have a look at the wall. This is the area in question, so we're going to be painting it from this pillar here down to the second pillar there. So the opening here is the communal toilet. So the whole premise of this mural was that I went into the school and chatted with a bunch of the students to find out what they wanted to see in the mural, and they came up with some really funky and clever ideas that they wanted to ask some real hard-hitting questions but bring a lot of positivity to the mural as well, and hopefully that is what I'm going to be able to achieve in this mural. All wrapped up, ready to paint. Let's go. Hey, what you doing up there? Coming down, you silly sausage. It's a bit close. Can we back it up a bit? There we go. We've got the pupil's face all marked out. We have the speech bubbles, a couple of them dotted out and around. Then we have the words, "Our Cyfarthfa" is marked out here in the green because I cocked it up on the first go. So I had to go get a different colour to mark the rest of that out. Then we have a couple of the speech bubbles then, which are going to be filled with the positive quotes and the questions and things like that. Music note for music. We have a football down here for sports and PE. Calculator for mathematics. We have a paint palette for your art with a couple of bits dotted in and around the mural. But all in all, we are ready to paint. So I'm going to start with the hardest part first, which is the face. The first thing I need to do with the face is put the base tones down. So it's going to look a bit janky for a second, but when it comes down to doing the finer detail, I'm actually going to be using a pink stencil cap. Wait one moment while I grab that. This is a pink stencil cap. And how it works is, you take a can, you mate it, the little hole in there is where the paint comes out. Then there's a little reservoir in the center. Oh, that's where all the paint goes. This can makes babies with this cap. Don't know if I can show you, don't know if it's gonna come through. First go, first try. There we are, and then that makes a little tiny dot. Perfect this little thing is. What I carry with me is a little bucket or my dried paint. So when it's filled up with paint, I just empty it out and then I can carry on painting. Pink stencil cap, really worth getting. I know it's a bit expensive, 25 euros I think it is. So yeah, some consumer advice there. Good morning, it is day 2 and we've got some background done now. Bit of pink, bit of blue. So in between I'm going to blend the colours together by spraying, and then I'm going to crack on, get the face done down bottom, do the bubbles coming out of the head, and then we can move on to this area here. That is what we are doing, that's what shall be done, so let's get to painting.
So it's time now to explain what is going on in this mural. So I came in 2 to 3 days before end of school ending, and I had a conversation with the school council and gave them the idea that we would ask some questions and bring some positive vibes to the mural. So in the mural, we've got a pupil's head with the top of it removed, and the questions and the positive messages that she had inside her head, and it all exploding out and creating the colourful mural that you're going to see before you. The main message in between it all is our Cyfarthfa family, meaning you're all included.
So it's a pretty cool looking mural, and I just need to add in all of the messages that the pupils came up with. So they come up with the ideas of like, be kind, stay positive, you are worth it, and then asked a couple of questions like, is it okay to be gay? Am I a good friend? Am I a good student? All these questions and all these positive messages are all going to be displayed out through the mural. So yeah, all in all, it's going to be a great mural, creating a great positive outlook for the pupils at Cyfarthfa High School. I need to get cracking, and let's get this one finished. So yeah, that is it for Cyfarthfa High School. We have the pupil with a head coming off with all the questions and all the positive words to do with the mural, and I think it turned out really, really awesome. She looks super awesome. I put a lot of detail into the eyes and the lips and everything, but it's turned out really, really cool. I love that little piece. And then we have our Cyfarthfa family and all of the quotes from the pupils here, and all in all, a real epic piece, and I'm so glad I got to be part of this one. So thanks for having me, Cyfarthfa High. If you guys enjoyed this little video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. That little piece, and then we real epic piece, and I'm so glad I got to be part of this one. So thanks for having me, and if you guys, I'll see you guys on the I'm so glad I got to be part of this one, and I'm so glad I got to be part of this one. So thanks for having me.